Not a beautiful day. A little bit warmer today. The water's not going to be much warmer, but I think it's +6. The temperature feeling about 4, but it definitely feels damper. So it feels a little bit cooler. But we'll go in, run back home, and get some work done. Oh, and it's windy.
I woke up to a quieter world. Frost on the glass, breath in the air. No one's watching, no one's cheering. Just the truth waiting out there. The road is cold, the sky is steel. The lake is darker than my fear. Every step is asking a question, am I really here? No comfort left, no noise, no lies. Just this body and this sky. The mind wants warmth, the soul wants truth. And today I choose the truth. Cold water, clear mind, strip me down to what's real. No mask, no story, just the will to feel. Cold water, clear mind, I don't run, I don't hide. I step into the edge and let the fear subside. Cold water, clear mind. This is where I remember who I am. Every cell is screaming, every nerve is loud. The old self is bargaining, begging me to turn around. But I didn't come this far to stay the same. I didn't choose this life to live in flame and shame. This cold, it doesn't hate me, it doesn't judge it, it doesn't lie. It just asks one thing: are you ready to be alive? I don't need ease, I need clarity. I don't need comfort, I need to be free. Cold water, clear mind, break me open wide. Burn away the weakness, let the truth decide. Cold water, clear mind, every breath a vow. I am here, I am now. Cold water, clear mind. This is where I come back to myself. Stepping slow, feel it bite, feel the edge of wrong and right. This is not pain, this is awakening. This is the nervous system remembering, breathing. Oh, let go. This is the doorway, this is the threshold, this is the old self dying. I am calm, I am strong, I am present, I belong. I breathe in, I breathe out, I let the fear burn itself out. I am steady, I am here, I do not move from the cold, I do not flee from the fear. I stay, I The shock fades, the water settles, and so do I. The noise in my head goes quiet like a frozen sky. This is the place when nothing is missing, when nothing is wrong. Just breathing blood and a heart beating strong. Cold water, clear mind, I see everything now. The past past can't reach me, the future, but cold water, clear mind. I don't need to explain. I'm not broken, I was just asleep in the rain. Cold water, clear mind. This is where the warrior wakes up. This is my ritual, this is my life. Before the world wakes, before the noise returns, there is a place where men remember who they are. Not in heat, not in comfort, not in applause, but in cold, in stillness, in truth. Frost on the ground, steel in the sky. Every breath like broken glass. No crowd, no cheering, no one to save me. Just the path and the past. I carry every story, every scar, every lie I ever told myself. And the water waits like a judge that can't be bribed. The mind wants safety, the soul wants fire. And today, I answer the higher. Cold made me honest, cold made me clean. Cold burned the weakness out of my bloodstream. Cold made me still, cold made me strong. Cold showed me where I belong. The cold didn't break me, the cold gave me sight. The cold made me king in the absence of light. Every instinct screams, turn back, stay warm, stay small. But I didn't survive everything I survived to kneel now. The water doesn't care who I was, only who I am. And I am done with being half alive. Fear is a liar, comfort is a chain. This body is ready for a cleaner pain. Cold made me honest, cold made me real. Cold tore away what I used to feel. Cold gave me clarity, cold gave me breath. Cold taught me how to stare down death. The cold didn't scare me, the cold made me whole. The cold carved truth into my soul. Step, breathe, hold. The first shock is a lie. The panic is old programming. This is not danger. This is recalibration. Stay, stay, stay. I am calm, I am here, I am not my fear. I breathe slow, I stay wide, I let the cold move through my spine. I am steady, I am clean, I am more than I've ever been. Cold is my teacher, cold is my fire. Cold strips away what I don't require. I stay, I looks different because I am. No rush, no noise, just power in my hands. My hands, my hands, my hands. Cold made me honest, cold made me whole. Cold rewrote my nervous soul. Cold made me king, not with a crown, but with control. When the world breaks down, I don't need warmth, I don't need ease, I need the truth. On my knees, on my knees. Cold is the gate, cold is the key, cold is the place I become me. Breathe in, breathe out. I am not running, I am now. Cold is the gate, cold is the key, cold is the place I become me. Breathe in,